Now these three power banks are our main protagonists today. I would like to thank CUKTECH. As soon as there's a new product, they immediately send it to us for unboxing video, which is really nice. And they didn't ask us for anything. We can say whatever we want, so you guys can rest assured that I won't favor them. Now back to these power banks. Some of them look familiar and some of them are new. Besides unboxing them, we will also test their actual output power and compatibility along the way. This will also serve as a reference for your decisions. So let's start with the biggest one, which is also the one you might be most interested in. Now let's see what we have in the package. All right, very simple packaging. First, we have the manuals and a warranty card, I think. So not much to that. And we have the power bank here. So this is the special thing about this power bank because as we said earlier, it has a built-in cable for it, right? Now here is the power bank. So the design is very refreshing and you can see the battery capacity here. Now these are the things in the package. I don't know if you guys have ever had this kind of experience. Going out for a trip, the power bank is in your backpack, but the charging cable is still lying in your bed. So the design of a PB200N puts an end to this situation. Because of this USB-C cable, it is definitely the most special among all CUKTECH power banks. It has a battery capacity of 20,000 mAh, maximum output power of 55 watts, and input power of 40 watts. There's also a 7-segment display on the side. Apart from this cable, there's also a Type-C port and USB-A port. Because the maximum output power of a USB-A port is only 33 watts, the output power and protocol support of the Type-C port and built-in cable are the same. So we only need to test the real output power of this cable to know how powerful it is. Since this is a test of the CUKTECH power bank, we are definitely going to test Xiaomi's phone. The Xiaomi 14 Pro supports 120 watt charging, which allows the power bank to deliver its full power. Vivo X100 Pro is a great example of why the charging protocol support, so it can be used to test the maximum power for a non-Xiaomi phone when using the PPS protocol. As for the iPhone, since many people are using it, let's test it as well. Now this one looks a bit familiar and it is the PB200. Now let's unbox this one. Almost the same packaging. Now we have the manual and the warranty card, those kind of things, and the power bank inside this little box. We have a C2C cable and the power bank itself. Now this is the battery bank itself. These are the things in the package. Here is this PB200, very similar to the CUKTECH 15 power bank. Yes, it is the little brother of the CUKTECH 15 and it is the budget version. It still has the same battery capacity of 20,000 mAh, also a 7-segment display on the sides. 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port are still here. But the maximum total output power has been changed from 150 watts to 85 watts. And the size has been changed a little bit as well. It has gotten slimmer, so the grip is better than the CUKTECH 15. The box says that the maximum output power is 67 watt for USB-C 1 and 33 watt max for C2 and USB-A ports. The 65 watt output is enough to power the laptop, so we tested its actual output power when charging the MacBook Pro, by the way. Now the last one, it is the PB100. Let's unbox this one. What do we have here? As usual, we got the manual, one manual, and also a C2C cable, a little bit shorter than those, and I think this is the power bank itself. It is really small, as you can see. See? Really small. Let's see. Really small, isn't it? And I'm surprised that it still has 10,000 mAh battery. This little one, I'm pretty sure is going to be my EDC. 10,000 million is quite enough to last more than a day of power for my phones, and it's small enough for me to carry in my pockets. Unlike the two we have just introduced, the USB-A port on this one has the highest power output at 33 watts. The USB-C port only has a 30 watt output, but it has a better compatibility. I heard from the CUKTECH staff that both this power bank and the PB200N will be released in more color options in the future. Those who like more colorful power banks need to wait a little bit. Every time I see CUKTECH's products, I'm glad that there's a company that can make a high-power battery bank so affordable. And because of that, many of Xiaomi users out there are one of the luckiest people in the world. Honestly, CUKTECH managed to keep a balance in portability, high power, and price to make these three products for different group of people. So if you like these, there are links down below for you to make your purchase. I'm Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.